Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to order a Payoneer card easily. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to Payoneer.com. Once you're on the website, simply log in to your Payoneer account. After logging in, look for the Cards section. Tap on it, and here you'll see all your available card options. Now, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to order a new card. Next, you'll need to choose your card type. You can select either a virtual card or a physical card. For this tutorial, I'm selecting a physical card. After that, select the currency you want your card in. For example, I'll choose Japanese yen, but you can pick any currency available to you. Now, confirm your shipping address. Make sure all the details are correct to avoid delivery issues. Then, choose your shipping method. You can go with standard shipping or express shipping, depending on how quickly you want your card. Once everything looks good, simply click on Order Card. That's it. Your card request will be submitted, and the status will show as pending until it's approved and shipped. And that's how you can order your Payoneer card. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.